Hi, Akshay. Good afternoon.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, sir.
So you are which part of India, Akshay?
I'm from southern part, Kerala, like a
Kerala.
God's own country, we call it. Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell about what is the beauty about Kerala?
Obviously, the backwaters and the greeneries.
Okay. Nice. So you received the JD job role.
Yes, sir. I've read about it. I feel like I'm suitable for that job. That's why. Yeah.
Why suitable? Why you are considering this role will fit for you?
Uh, because I have relevant experience with the requirements that matches with your JD, sir, with the company's
Hmm.
JD.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you know about that? Our company. You have any knowledge? What domain? What experience?
Yes, I spent yeah, like a few hours
Yes.
regard like think searching about what are your products, what exactly the company is doing.
Yeah.
So I just took it yeah, so
Okay.
for the
Very nice.
company.
Okay. Akshaya, here a few customer is there also. The other our reporting manager also there, Mr. Moyes. So we want to know more about your education experience, what you do, your daily task, what is your past experience? Can you bit elaborate and give your intro details, please?
Sure, sir. So I'm a BE graduate. Completed my graduation in year 2016. So from for the past 6 years, I was in the data analyst role. So basically, at the beginning, I was working in a company called Reba Hotels. So it's my first company. So obviously I have no much idea about how data is handling everything. So what I did there was I will be getting data. So basically, I'm not extracting data from there. I used to get data from the senior people, like the senior whoever is doing the task. So from there, we have to first do the data cleaning. So in the data cleaning, we have to find out what are the disparities, what are the errors, null values, everything in that particular data set, and we have to gather the useful insights from that data set, and then we will do the yeah, obviously we're doing the analysis only. I'll be getting the insights, everything. So after doing analysis, we have to create reports and visualization with that data that we have currently, and then we will be using. So basically, I use Excel and SQL for data analysis purpose, and for visualization part, I use Tableau. So in my previous company also, so there I have learned Python like extra. So from there I learned how to extract data, basically data extraction I learned from my previous companies, and with the help of Python. So with different sources, like internal sources, like external, we have to gather data of the from different sources, and then we have to do the we have to do the handle a bulk amount of data this time, and we have to do the cleaning part with the help of advanced Excel, and then analysis with SQL and uh, advanced Excel only. Then I'll do the visualization part, the Tableau and Power BI tools.
Okay. Nice. Looks like a very strong knowledge in data. So which database you are using in your current organization?
So I'm using Microsoft SQL
Microsoft
Server.
data. Which version of micro database you are using?
I'm using the 2023.2.
2020. Okay. You are using latest version you are using.
Yeah.
Okay. What is where clause? And what are the different where clause operator you are fetching and using to fetch the data?
So workflows basically work with a select operator, so where we can give a condition. So let's say I want to get a specific value from a row. So for example, if I want to select the complete uh, column, I can give a select star from the table name, right? So I want to specifically tell I want to get that only a range of things, only a particular thing. So then I can add a condition there, like select stuff from table where I can give a condition like employee um, salary greater than 1,000 or greater than 5,000, like that. So it's basically giving a condition to filter out our data.
What is the SQL constant? And what are the different constant in SQL? And
SQL
why you
constraints
use
are
SQL constant?
okay. So SQL constraints are basically used to uh, like to make sure that the unnecessary data are not coming into our database.
Database.
So yeah, we are basically trying to give some give some rules and regulations. For example, like we can use the constraints like primary key, unique keys, not null, and then I can give like the foreign keys, everything. So basically, we are restricting the data
Unwanted
not to
data,
get,
bad data. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, and what are the different operator? Like you said, SQL constant is there.
I can use equal to operator. I can not null operator. I can use greater equal to, less equal
Now,
to.
my question is,
Like
what are the different SQL constant?
primary keys, unique
Yes.
keys,
Yes.
not null,
Yes. Unique,
primary, unique, not null.
unique and default. Okay, all right.
Default.
So, Akshay, tell me, what is SQL join and what are the different SQL joins is there?
So SQL joins are basically used to connect two or more tables. So sometimes we might not be the information that we need may not be available in one table. So we can connect that table with other tables, then we can fetch data. So we have four different types of SQL joins. So basically we have inner join, outer join. In the outer join, we have three subdivisions like inner outer, so left outer, right outer, and full outer join. And the third set is we have cross join, and then finally we have self join.
Okay. What is the difference between SQL join and set operator?
Okay. So SQL join basically give the results or combine two tables, okay, and we can make queries out of them. But as set, like the set operators are used, like it will connect or it will combine result of two queries, two select queries, two or more select queries.
Okay. Okay. What are the different set operator available in SQL?
We have union operator, we have intersect, then we have exact operator and
Minus.
minus. Okay.
Okay. What is stored procedure? And what is the advantage of a stored procedure?
Okay. So store procedure is basically, so whenever we want to reuse a certain bunch of code in our day-to-day life, so we can keep them in a and store them in a store procedure by using a syntax like create procedure, give the procedure name, then we can give the syntax begin, then we can write the whatever query we want to write, and then we can end that procedure with the end statement. And whenever we want to use them, we can just simply call the procedure like execute and the procedure name. So why using a store procedure? Because obviously it will reduce the storage space and it's time. It won't take much time. You know, if we are writing code again, it will take a lot of time. So time consuming.
You are using stored procedure. So you have a knowledge on Microsoft Excel and Advanced Excel.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, as a data person, data analysis, why I require somebody Microsoft Excel and Advanced Excel?
Because it's a whatever tool I'm using is like Python or anything. Excel is the it's a common tool, I'd say. So wherever whichever thing, query analysis, extraction, everything I can do with the help of this Excel or advanced Excel. So it's like it's a common tool, I'll say, a common and most important and easy to use tool. But it has some limitations, like it cannot store more than 10 lakh data. But other than that, it's very useful tool.
Okay. What is the size of a data we can store in Microsoft Excel?
Uh, Around 10 lakh.
10 lakhs of data we can store. What is the VLOOKUP formula?
So basically, we use VLOOKUP if you want to pull any particular column from any other sheets. So it's VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP bracket. Then the current sheets, like let's say there will be some one common column should be there between both the sheets, like index number, let's say. Then that column number, comma, then the sheet in which I want to do the lookup. So we can select that entire sheet. That will be the second value. Then the which column I want from the sheet that I'm looking for. That column number, comma, is it like an exact value, or I want the approximate value? Exact means I can give comma 0 at the fourth value, sorry, fourth parameter. If approximately means I can give a 1 there.
Okay. How much will you rate yourself in Microsoft Excel out of 10?
Microsoft Excel, I'll give 8. In advanced Excel, I'll give 7.
Okay. Do you have knowledge on data visualization tool? Any data visualization tool?
Yes, sir, I do have. I've used Tableau. Okay.
Can you bit explain about Tableau product family? Like,
So,
yeah. Different Tableau product family is there, like desktop. Yeah.
I take a glance.
Yeah. No, Tableau desktop, Tableau server, these are the Tableau product family is there. Hope you recall.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, that's right. Yeah. So, we have like mainly 5 products in Tableau that's coming.
Yes.
So basically, we'll be using the Tableau desktop and server, right?
Yes.
Sorry, sir, I
Yeah.
missed
No
this
issue.
particular
Yeah.
tab.
What is the difference between Tableau dimension and Tableau measure?
So Tableau dimension. So the table that we will be loaded into Tableau will be categorized into two. Basically, that is Tableau dimension and measures. So dimension is basically it will store all the details like the string values, like the names, the cities, the product names, everything, of like everything that is related to text format, let's say. And the Tableau measures, it will store the details of like the numbered values, or the, let's say, integers, like the quantity, count, and such numerical things will be under Tableau measures. Sorry, Tableau, yeah, names. Sorry,
What is it?
measure
Data type
names.
and what are the different data type in Tableau?
Okay. So data type is like in defined data type, right, sir?
Yes.
It's like how a data, in what format we can store a particular data. Uh, let's say if it's my name, it will be in a string format, right? If it's a number, like phone number, it will be in a integer format, like that. So they're like 13.
Okay. Okay. So, coming to your project, you done a data management, ETL data management project. Can you bit elaborate, explain what is the data management project, how you done, what is your role involvement?
Yes, sir, sure. So, like I said, I was previously I was working in Byju's. So from there, it's with the customer, with the students. So there basically I need to I need to gather the information about the students. So with the help of Python, I'm doing it. I've done it. So I use I'll be getting some APIs. So from the help of APIs, I used to collect the detail, and then I used to store them in a Excel sheet. And it will be have a lot of disparities, everything. So which I should try cleaning it. So cleaning, I've used both Excel and Python also. Together, I've done the cleaning part. And then after cleaning the data, I have done the analysis. So for me, like personally, I like to do analysis with the help of SQL rather than Excel. So I used to do the SQL analysis like let's say in which which state or which country students are more interested in online teaching, or they learn coding any particular language, like coding, we have math, like that. So I used to gather that data according to the city wise or country wise. It's international, right? So like that. Then afterwards, I used to do visualization part after doing analysis of that data. In visualization, I used to create dashboards so that we have the higher management teams who obviously they are not into technical people, because they don't have time to check each and every detail in, like if it's a table or it's a bunch of data. So for to make them understand better the market better and clearly, I used to create dashboards for them into a very simple manner with the help of Tableau. And I used to find the main KPIs that is available in the particular data set. So the reporting and yeah.
Okay, nice, good. So, what is your strength?
I would say I love learning new things. So that's my strength,
Okay.
improving my skills.
Do you deal with a client and a customer interaction role then?
Yes.
What is your client, details? May I know the client details?
Obviously, the clients are, uh, the higher authorities or there will be we have a set of sales people who which are there in every cities.
Yeah.
So they will be having the data of the people who are interested, or who show some interest towards this online coding or online subjects. So from them we'll used to collect data. So sometimes we should gather the report, like we have to collect the parents. Obviously it's teaching thing, so we should get the parents are our customers, so we need to get their response. So to get the response, sometimes we need to deal with we maybe have to call them, and we should understand what are their requirements, what exactly are the parents looking for. So what type of new not skill I can say for the kids, but still, what is the new skill that is available in Byju's? So that will make their students uh, different from others. So for that purpose and all, we used to contact them to know the requirements, and then with the help of that, we have a lot of syllabus changes for
Mm-hmm.
as per the parents' requirements.
Yeah.
Not one, like a bulk, yeah.
Okay. Good. My last question to you, like you have a 3 liters and a 5 liter of water container, and neither one is marked aside from the total volume. A tab also now showing in order to measure the exactly 4 liter of water, we must utilize the container and the tab in the right way. How is this possible?
Five
A
and
3
four,
liter
right,
and
sir?
a 5 liter. Yeah.
I
I
should
need a
measure
count
four,
of a 4 liter. Yeah.
4 liter. Okay. So is it five and three is vacant only, right? It's not filled.
Yes.
Okay, it's vacant. So first, I'll fill my 3 liter container. I'll fill that completely with water. I'll pour into my uh 4 liters of the container which I want to fill. And then I will again take the 3-liter container and I will pour into my 5-liter container completely. And now my 5-liter, again, I will fill my 3-liter container, pour into my 5-liter container. So now again, what I'll do is I'm going to take my 5-liter container, keep it into 3-liter. Now it will contain 2 liters of water. So that 2 liter of water I want to again divide into 1 liter, 1 liter. So uh, what I'll do is like I will be already I have a 4-liter container. Okay, I'm just confusing.
Okay. No issue. It's
I've
just
told
yeah,
that's my first interview
yeah,
question. I've
yeah,
cracked
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. No issue, no issue. All right. Yeah, Akshay, I think I'm done. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, sir. If you have time, like I would like to know, like what uh, responsibilities are you looking out from me as your employee?
Yeah.
Even
So as I
if I could
mentioned, the
grab, yeah.
JD also, even we are going for a next further round, going for the director level and client level is that they can beat be even they can explore and they can then explain the details of whatever more and more you will get to know. Yeah, make sense.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Yeah.